Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you two of the basic hacks in Nokia 105 mobile phone. As you see, it's very good phone, very nice handheld phone. Battery timing is really good. So if you have an issue with your phone regarding battery timing, this phone is for you. Okay guys, the life hack, the basic hack that I want to show you about this phone is the first one is to get the phone data. For example, if you want to have what's the making year of this phone and what's the model number and all that kind of things, you just have to do star hash 0 0 0 0 hash. So when you do it, you have to press 4 times 0 and then this screen will come in front of you. So star hash 4 times 0 and then hash again. So you can see here it will show you the model number the Nokia 105, then it will show you the make in 16/2017, then Nokia, and then this language IM. So that's the first hack that I'm going to show you. The second hack is really important. If you want to reset the phone, if you want to remove all the information from the phone and you want to factory reset, just to want the factory reset, you have to dial star 7370 hash. I'm doing it again. Star hash 7370 hash, and when you do it, you will see here this screen will come up, erase and restore factory settings. So when you press this continue button, it will start resetting your phone. It will remove all data from the phone, and your phone will be all reset. So I will do it again for you. You have to dial star hash 7370 hash. So when you do it, just this screen suddenly will come in front of you, and you just have to press continue and it will start there raising the phone. But guys, please remember, if you have any important data, do not do the reset. You have to just make a backup of your important data and then do the factory resetting. There is one more option to reset your phone, factory reset. You have to go to the menu and then you have to come here in the settings option, guys. Okay, when you go inside, just go straight away to the last option. You have to just press this up button. So when you press this, it will bring you to the factory reset option, and then press enter. And when you see here, it will show you the security code. It will ask you the security code. The security code is 12345. So when you do it, it will start automatically resetting your phone, guys. So guys, this is very important hack, because most of the time we don't want our phone to keep our data, so we want to remove it, so we want to reset the phone. So this is very important hack that you can use in Nokia, in all sort of Nokia phones, old style phones, and this is I want to share with you guys. So I hope guys you like it very much, and I hope you will like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.